Hey, what's up guys? How's everyone doing? In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to create a pattern using Java for loops. Alright, so I have already created a class. I have named it pattern. In case you don't know how to create a class, you just go to file, new, and then select class. Just write the name of the class you want and then finish. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Alright, let's go ahead and create a main method for our class pattern. Public static void main. Oh my god, what's wrong with me today? Can't even spell void. Alright, string arguments. Alright, so we have created a class pattern and a main method for the class. So in order to create a cube, we need what we call it in Java for loop. We need a nested for loop, but let me just go ahead and write a for loop for you guys to get started. So we use for, and then we write the data type that is an integer, and then variable I initialized to 1, and then I would be less than equals to say 3, and then I plus plus. Alright, and then just output I. Print line I can't even spell. Alright, so just let's run the program, and I'm just gonna show you guys what it prints out. Alright, so it prints out 1, 2, 3. How it works is when I is 1 is the program's gonna check if 1 is less than equal to 3, yes. 1 is less than 3, print out I is 1. And then it's gonna increment, and I will be 2 now, and then it's gonna loop again. It will be inside the loop, and it's gonna check if 2 is less than equals to 3, yes, and then print out I, which is 2, and then I is 3, and then increment, and then I is 3 is less than equals to 3, yes, print I, that is 3, and then increment I is 4 less than equals to 3, nope, that's it. And then the program is not gonna run line 6, it will exit. Alright, in order to create a cube, we need a nested for loop. What that means is inside the for loop, we have to create another for loop. So let's create another for loop with same data type int, and then just name it j, and declare initialize it to 1, and the j will be less than equals to 3, and then j plus plus. What we will be creating, 3 by 3 cube. For now, let's just get rid of line 9. And then inside this nested for loop, we will be printing out the pattern we want. So system.out.println, it will be print. And I'm gonna choose star because it looks good. Alright, so let me just run the program, and then I'll explain it to you guys. I think it will be easier that way. And in line 9, we will be printing out just the print line with empty parentheses. So it means just go to the next line. When we run the program, let's see what happens. Alright, so we have a 3 by 3 cube, right? So how it works is when I is 1, I is less than equals to 3, yes, 1 is less than equals to 3, it will be inside the loop, and it will go to line 6, and then it's gonna say if j is 1, yes, j is less than equals to 3, yes, 1 is less than equals to 3, print out a star, there is 1 star, and then increment j. Alright, j is 2 less than equals to 3, yes, print out another star right here, and then it's gonna increment j. Now j is 3 less than equals to 3, yes, print out another star, 3 stars, increment j. Now j is 4 less than equals to 3, no, 4 is not less than equals to 3. Then skip this line 7, go to line 9. Line 9 says system.out.println empty parenthesis, which means it's telling Java go to next line. So we are in row 2, and where we have incremented I now I is 2, and is 2 less than equals to 3, yes. Then go to line 6 and use the nested for loop. It says j is 1 less than equals 3, yes, 1 is less than equal, if j is 1 is less than 3, yes, print out 1 star, We are in second row, there is 1 star. Increment j, j is 2. Is 2 less than equals to 3? Yes, 2 is less than equals to 3. Print another star right here. Then increment j, j is 3, 3 is less than 3. Yes, print a star right here. Second row, last star. And then j is 4. Is 4 less than equals to 3? No, 4 is not less than 3. Then skip line 7, go to line 9. System.out print line. That means go to line row 3. So now I is 3. Is 3 less than equals to 3? Yes. Then loop through, and then it's gonna check the same thing. I is 1, 1 is less than 3. Yes, print out 1 star. I is 2, 1 is less than 2 is less than 3. No, yes, print 1 star. Then j is 3, 3 is less than 3. Yes, print 1 star. J is 4 less than 3. Nope. Then exit. Get out of the loop. Go to line 9. System.print line. Go to the next line. It is over here. The cursor is over here, and then it's gonna check, and then you're gonna increment I. So now I is 4. Is 4 less than equals to 3? Nope. That's it. The program will not check all these lines. It's gonna exit. Whew, that was fast. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to create a right angle triangle. Just to think of it, how would you shape a right angle triangle out of a 3x3 cube? So in row 1, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, very important thing, whatever is inside this nested for loop, see the star, the star is actually coming out from this nested for loop, and this for loop is dealing with next line. Alright, so this for loop is actually printing out stars, and this system.out print line is just going, and this for loop is dealing with going to the next line. Alright, so just to think of it, how to create a right angle triangle. The first, in row 1 we need 1 star, in row 2 we need 2 stars, and in row 3 we need 3 stars. The only way it is possible to print it out is when we use the nested for loop and we initialize j to 1, and j would be less than equal to I. So when I is 1 and j will be less than equals to 1, and 1 will be less than equals to 1, is gonna print 1 star, and then increment j, and j will be 2. Is 2 less than equals to 1? Nope. It is gonna exit, go to the next line, and then come back to the for loop here, and I will be 2, and 2 is less than equal to 3. Yes, and then it will go to the nested for loop, and it's gonna check if so j is 1, then j is less than equals to I, which will be 2. So let's go ahead and get rid of 3, put I in it, and let's run the program and see what happens. Alright, so like I said, the first row will be 1 star, second row will be 2 stars, third row will be 3 stars. So when I is 1, 1 is less than equal to 3. Yes, go to the nested for loop, and then j is equals to 1. J is less than equals to I, which is 1. So is 1 less than equal to 1? Yes. Print out 1 star, increment j. J is 2. Is 2 less than equal to 1? Nope. And then get out of this nested for loop, go to line 9, go to the next line. System.out print line, system.out print line means go to the next line. So we are in row 2. In row 2 we have incremented I. So when now I is 2. Is 2 less than equals to 3? Yes, 2 is less than equals to 3. Then go to the nested for loop. J is 1. Is j less than equals to j is 1, so is 1 less than equals to 2? Yes, 1 is less than equals to 2. Print out 1 star, so 1 star. Then increment j. J is 2. Is 2 less than equals to 2? Yes, print out another star over here. Increment j again. J is 3. Is 3 less than equals to 2? Nope. Then get out of the for loop, go to line 9, and go to the next line. We are in row 3 now. Now I is 3. 3 is less than equals to 3? Yes. Then the nested for loop. J is 1 and I is 3. Remember. So I is 3 here. J is 1. Is 1 less than equals to 3? Yes, 1 is less than equals to 3. Print out 1 star and increment j. J is 2. Is 2 less than equals to 3? Yes. Print out 1 star and increment j. j is 3. Is 3 less than equals to 3? Yes, 3 less than 3. Then print out 1 star and then increment j. J is 4. Is 4 less than equals to 3? Nope, 4 is not less than 3. Get out of this for loop and go to line 9 and go to, and it says the Java is checking whatever is in line 9. So we have put system.out.println, which means go to the next line. So the cursor is in the fourth column, in the fourth row. So when Java checks this for loop, and then we have incremented I is 4. Now I is 4. Is 4 less than equals to 3? Nope, 4 is not less than equals to 3. So the program exists. Alright guys, I hope I have explained it well and you guys have a clear grasp of the for loop for using patterns. And that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll catch you up next time. Take care, all. Bye.